So welcome to class today. The do now, okay, we're working on Earth Science Standard 8.2. And 8.2 says that Earth's lithosphere consists of major and minor tectonic plates that move relative to each other. So what does that mean? What does that mean relative to each other? Are all the plates move in the same direction at the same speed? Anyone? You think all of the continent, all of the plates are moving at the same speed? Are all of the continents moving at the same direction and the same speed? So are they all moving like that? Yes or no? This is where class participation, you get those points for that. Just showing up and turn on your, being on here doesn't necessarily mean that you're present. You got to be participating. Okay, well, no, they're not. Okay, it's not. You got to take a chance. I mean, you guys just sit here and don't do anything. You're not getting credit for being here unless you are participating. That means when I am asking questions, you are trying to answer them. Okay. So the plates are not all moving the same direction at the same speed. Some plates are moving faster than others. Some are moving away from each other. Some are coming towards one another. So in the standard, when it says the major and minor tectonic plates are moving relative to each other, that's what they mean. If these two objects, okay, are right here and one is going towards the screen, for you guys, it's going towards you. But if you're this pen, it's moving away from you. All right, so that's what relative means. They're talking about based on your position, the plates would be moving in different directions. And that's what we're studying. So today you're going to finish the Newsela text set. So you'll go to Newsela and you have to read 3 of those 5 articles. You log into Newsela with Google and read any 3 that you pick. There's 5 there. You don't have to do all of them. We started this yesterday. You'll finish it today. Tomorrow, you'll be taking the ESS, Earth Science Standard 8.2. And 8.2 is talking about the lithospheric plates and the major and minor ones. And that's where you'll be taking the level 2 assessment. So you'll want to make sure that you look over the vocab for that assessment. The vocabulary words are convection currents, tectonic plates, magma, Pangea, and continental drift. I showed you a picture of those yesterday, so you should have got on there and looked at them. So here is the do now. So go ahead and answer that. Which location has the oldest oceanic crust? Location 1, 2, 3, or 4? Give you a couple seconds to write your answer. Then you're going to push enter, and I'll see all of your answers on the screen in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and push enter. And let me see what you think. Let me see what you put there. Even if you don't know, just take a guess. Okay. Actually, the oldest crust would be found at number 1. Okay, number 1. Imagine that this was a conveyor belt and the crust is being pushed away from that middle. So right there in the middle where this orange pen is, you have these plates that are sitting up here. And as this magma comes up, it's pushing the plates out. Okay, it's pushing them around. And the convection currents underneath are moving that way. So kind of like a conveyor belt. So if they're moving this way, they're warming up, it's spreading it out, and then it's going down. And then another convection current is moving it, and it's rotating it around. So down here is where that movement would be in that magma, those convection currents. And so the further you get away from the seafloor spreading is where you would find the oldest oceanic crust. And we have one more thing for today before you get started on the assignment. Throwback Thursday. So every Thursday we go back over previous sections. And so today we're talking about physical science and electricity or electrical charges. So a plastic stick is attached or is attracting small pieces of brightly colored paper. If the stick has a positive charge, then the paper would have what? Go ahead and type your answers in. Go ahead and type them. And push enter. Okay, the correct answer there is B as in boy. It's going to have a negative charge because the stick was positive. The paper is going to be negative. So opposites attract. So we have a positive and a negative. They're going to get pulled together. If they were the same charge, both positive, they would be pushing away. Or both negative, they would be pushing away. That's like magnets, okay? When they're the same charge facing each other, they're repelling. But if I turn this around, it's going to attract that other magnet because they're opposites. So opposites attract. Good job with that. So finish the Newsella text sets. Remember, Friday, we do not have our Zoom meeting. You do have to take the ESS 8.2 level 2 assessment tomorrow. You need to get that done. All right, so do your readings, answer those quizzes, and if you have any questions, I'll be here. Remember, as always, okay, everything matters. I care about you. I want you to do hard work, and I want you to be kind. Have a good day.